Arcturus is a red giant star in the northern hemisphere of the Earth's night sky, and it is the brightest star in the constellation of Boas the Herdsman. Arcturus is one of the brightest stars that can be seen from the Earth. The easiest way to locate Arcturus is to follow the Big Dipper Ursa Major curve handle. And it can be spotted at the location 14 hours, 15 minutes, 39.7 seconds of right ascension and positive 19 degrees, 10 minutes, 57 seconds of declination. Astronomers say Arcturus will end up as a white dwarf at the end of its life. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and click the notification bell, for you will be updated, for our next upcoming video.